of the most important things that you can have is convening power. And we've seen the convening power of assembly today.
It's a brilliant platform for any organization which essentially takes their image, corporate communication, reputation, communication to outside world seriously. You should consider sending the right officials to such. As a matter of fact, I think CEOs should attend such events.
It's an honor to be here in the very first assembly.
So on the whole, we are very privileged to have been a part of it and supporting it, and we hope that we're able to continue this in the years to come.
Thumbs up to team for the amazing hospitality and just looking after the end to end. So I just simply loved being here. And Bhopal is a wonderful city. I loved it.
I think assembly was a great experience. Saw wide range of COPCOM's leaders from diverse industries and diverse geographies.
Assembly is a very unique peer format. It's conversations, it's a lot of exchange of ideas, thoughts.
So it was an eye-opener of sort for me, and I'm very happy that I took this opportunity to be here amongst a set of people who are critical to an organization's success, but probably are not as visible as they ought to be and as they want to.